If your For You page on TikTok is anything like mine, you've probably seen Cooking Simulator at least once. And today, I'm gonna be playing it because it looks very fun. So, let's see just what this game is. Okay, there's game modes? This is not what I bought. Career mode, sure. Yo, I'm not gonna read it. Oh my god. Oh, this is so bad. We're gonna be cooking something. Ooh, can I grab a knife? I don't need tutorial game. I'm such a pro chef. What do we have for food? Let's cook something. You know what? Let's cook. What should we cook here? Yo, my fridge has like nothing in it. Salmon fillet. I don't even have a steak. Wow, the great outdoors. No, I'm not doing a recipe. I'm just gonna cook something, bro. Let's do some salmon here. Let's grab a plate. How do you crouch? Is there a way to crouch? Couldn't tell. Oh, it's control, and you have to hold it. You have to hold it. Oh, I love that. Oh, you have to buy them first. Yo, I can't even afford it. Oh, I guess I can. Can I please have a plate? Can I please? Pretty please? Okay, well that was awesome. Okay, we're gonna put that right there. I'm not gonna cut it. We're just gonna get some salmon. What else do we need here? Close the fridge. Actually, anything we need in here? Yo, sour cream? Chicken broth? I don't think you're supposed to use that to cook salmon. Okay, close the fridge. I have to buy things out of my fridge. Okay, let's put this down. Oh, there's a throw button. Awesome, yep. What else do you need to fry fish, bro? Like, I'm not a professional cooker. Okay, let's get a big plate so I don't break it. What is this? Is this a deep fryer, bro? I can deep fry stuff? This game isn't even that high tech. Awesome, that was a great sound. Okay, do I have to tenderize this? No, you don't tenderize salmon. Am I stupid? Can I have salt? You know what? You're not getting any seasoning. Let's get this right here. Do I need something on the side? I probably need something on the side, and I need to put oil in the pan. Okay, let's see here. Let's turn this up. Oh, it's that burner. Wow, that heated up quickly. That's good. I don't want to be Candy's cooking. Stop! Okay, well, I'm gonna light my kitchen on fire. We've opened the doors. First what? No, there's orders? Oh, you gotta be kidding me! How do I make that? Oh my god, bro. No. Okay, you know what? Screw this. They don't need their order. I'll get some of their food later. I just want my salmon to cook. Oh, I need a spatula. Crap! Oh my god, I did not think this through. Do I have a spatula? It's gonna be overcooked. It's gonna be just gone by the time I'm done with this. You know what? Just give me the whole pan. Is it done? It's done. Give me the pan. Interact. How do I... Rotate? No, that's the other way. Rotate forward. Oh! Yeah, just get the mixture out. Just pour it right on my counter! Right there. Cook some salmon. Can I have that back, please? Please? Come on, we can do this. Bro! These controls! We can do this. Just like right here. It's perfect. It's the worst part of serve. Yeah! Let's go! Oh! We have some salmon here. Let's order. You know what? No! My salmon! Where did it go? My salmon's gone! Is that my salmon right there? How did it get in the microwave? Just take this plate shard. Throw it away. Get out! How do you throw it? Oh, it's the mouse button. Or the middle mouse button. Can I open my microwave? Nope, my salmon lodged it in place. Give me this back. Oh, I can't touch it. It's too hot. Can I have my salmon back? What in the... Yo, I got my salmon back. Here. Go. Okay, you know what? I didn't even want the salmon. Is there an open window out here? Okay, my salmon is floating in the air. Okay. Let's actually try and cook this. What do we need? Chicken. Oh my god. It's like measurements and stuff. This sucks. Let's do this. Let's get a deep plate first. Let's just get everything we need. Okay, let's be calm. Okay, what is a deep plate? That's a bowl. A deep plate's a bowl. What am I talking about? What is a deep? Is that a deep plate? Deep plate. Bam. Chicken broth and salt. Wait, and tomatoes, right? Wait, no, I just need chicken broth and salt. Let's just start simple. Do we have chicken broth? Salt! Salt and black pepper. Put it back. Okay, fine. Just put it right here. There. Okay, this is the most organized kitchen you'll ever see. Yo. Let's go. We got it. What else? Tomato and onions. Both of which I don't think I have. Wow, this looks... My kitchen situation's awesome. Okay, that's 2 tomatoes. I can only carry 1 tomato at... Overtime?! Oh my god, bro. I just cooked that! Okay, you know what? Because I just cooked that... Oh, I can pick this up now. Oh, it's not gonna be hot, though. Oh my god. Oh, why? Give that to me right now. I can get something to serve. Give me this. Don't walk into the wall. And don't put it on the ground, please. Okay. Where did it go? How is it still on the floor? I picked it up. Oh my god. For this one. It's gonna be so bad. Wow. How did I get 1 star? Stop giving me orders. I'm not gonna fulfill any of them. I wasn't done making my tomato soup. I'm not even gonna like, these orders suck. Y'all, you're getting tomato soup here. I have 3 tomatoes. I needed how many? 8? That's enough. Where's a pot? Big pot. Okay. How much of what? So just add all that stuff in and just go for it? Add that in. I love how I still have oil all over my kitchen. I want to fry a steak, but I don't know how you fry steaks. I want to make fries. I want to do a lot of stuff. Okay, we'll add all that stuff. Tomato, get in there. 600 grams. Wait, did I do my math wrong? 720. Oh no, just got this little guy hiding. Wait. Even that's not enough. I did my math wrong. I need 960. Golly gee, need an extra tomato. So if I get overtime, is that bad? It's over by 3 minutes. So my service is horrible over here. I need 120 grams of this bad boy. Okay, now how many grams of stuff else do I need? So tilt the bottle. Don't want to pour it all over my thing. 700 mils. Are you kidding me? As I'm making it, he cancels. Okay, I'm 1 mil off. That ain't too bad. Put it down. Okay, and then we need... No! No, I don't know how much it was! Bro, you know what? Just take this. Just get out of here. That's not what I wanted. Okay, you know what? Actually, I've spent this long making it. Let's just do this. Someone's getting this, okay? Put this right here. Let's order up. Yep, the big trout guy. You can have some tomatoes in a bowl. All he cared about was the realization time. I just lost fame! He didn't pay me anything! Bruh. I was making that! Are you kidding me? Bro. Now my pot's gone! I was literally making that! I had it ready. I just sold my pot, too. Great. How am I gonna cook it now? You know, the last thing I'll do before we'll choose a new mission is... how do I cook this? What's the best way to do this? Also, I hope I don't have to say, do not do... Never do this. This is something only you can do in video games. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're good. Now I'm just gonna stand back and wait for this to happen. Okay, so, if this explodes, which it most definitely will. Oh my god! Sandbox, play. Sandbox. That's what I was looking for. I didn't want to have to cook people's stuff. I want to just cook my own things. Okay, well, let's do this now. Okay, cutting board. What are we gonna cook today? It's just sandbox. No one orders, you just cook. I want to cook a steak. Oh, we have so much in here! Oh, I want to cook a burger. No, screw this. I'm cooking a burger. This is gonna be awesome! Burger meat. Let's put that right there. I'm gonna make the best burger ever. Let's get all the ingredients for a burger, though. Chives. There's literally everything but lettuce on here. I kind of want to just make, like, everything with just, like, a crap ton of oil in it. Let's see how this goes. Put that there. Oh, there's cheese. Is that cheese? What's cheese? It's cheddar. Good enough. That's chicken broth. Get back in there. You don't have olive oil? You know what, fine, we're gonna use sesame oil, even though I don't think that's the kind you're supposed to use. Pan? Oh, I put it over here. I think that's good. We don't want to overdo it like some people. I'm doing it again, bro! Did not mean to do that. That's the wrong one. That's the correct one. Now we take our burger, we take our salt, and we go... bam, 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 bam. I don't think I'm gonna really put much else on there except for pepper, and that's about good. Oh yeah, I still haven't found buns yet. Go slightly less pepper so it doesn't overpower the salt. No, stop it! Just get out of it. I need a spatula, bro. I don't know where any of the utensils are. Yes! Yes! Just get out of here. Spatula, please. A golden knife. No, I'm good. Play basic. Put it down. Grab this. Okay, it's off the heat. You're fine. Interact. Okay, first, we have to make sure that we drain the juices out, so we're just gonna kind of... That's good. That's exactly what I was going for. Do this. Please land on the plate. Please land on the plate. Please land on the plate. Yes! Products. Do you have burger buns? Yes, top burger bun. Buy. Where is a spatula? I just need a spatula. Oh, a sponge. A spatula. Oh, okay. Awesome. Right there. Okay, we're gonna grab the burger bun, and we're going to take that. Put that right there. You not do it on the top one? Oh, I hate that. I'm gonna be honest, I really hate that. Okay, we're gonna take this. Advanced controls, rotate it. Just rotate it around. Bam. Just put it right there. It automatically... Oh my god. This is our burger. It looks really good, and if you don't like it, then... You're weird. Let's get our... Oh, I broke the oil. That's fine. We'll fry steak anyway. T-bone steak. Just put that right there. Oh my god. That's perfect. Oh, I have to flip it too, don't I? Ooh, I didn't think about that. I guess we'll quickly check that. Is it gonna be raw? And just put it back in. And like, okay, let's flip it. Oh yeah, I was starting to cook there. I still think it's undercooked on top, so we're just gonna develop a crust. Bruh. Okay, let me quickly check here. The other side still looks raw! We take that. Put that there. Give me the steak. Give me the steak. Okay, that's it. You know what? That's it. That's it! Move vertically. Oh, oh. Jeez, that scared me! Now the door's gone! Okay, whatever. We'll just do this again. What are you talking about? The griddle looks fine! Oh my god! Okay, that's good. We'll just kind of... Bam, bam... Bam. We already know what happens. Oh, it doesn't even work anymore. Okay, this is also kind of destroyed. Real darn shame, man. I really thought we were gonna be able to do this. How do I get it repaired? There's a fire! Wow, I'm the best cook. Okay, rotate. Yes. Yes. Go in! Please! It won't go in. It's really hard to get it to... Do you have to go like halfway down? Oh, wait. Wait. Literally perfect. Oh! We did it! No! And drop. Yes. Yes! Yes! Okay, let's see. How else do we... How do you cook this? Let's see here. Let's go. High for... We don't want it to undercook. Oh my god! Let's blend something now. I feel like... Oh! Perfect! Both right in front of me! Okay, where do we get the knives from? Oh yeah. Let's go! And we'll cut. And then we'll cut this part. Actually, we could cut the pumpkin as well. Hold on, let's go back here. Put that down. Grab this. Put that there. Grab this. Cut that. Okay, we'll get ourselves a piece of cabbage. Put that in there. It's still a little big. A piece of pumpkin and put that in there. And it won't really become soup without a... Oh, what have I got? Okay, do I have... What do I need? I need broth. I need, like, chicken broth. Do I have any? Oh, yeah, I threw it on the floor. Okay, that's not a mess. Don't fight me on it. Okay, and then we go tilt the bottle. Let your body waddle. Okay, let's add... I want to say a lot. So, like... That's good. That's good. That's perfect. And then we'll just kind of put that away. How do you blend things? I didn't really think this through. Is there like one of those hand blenders around this kitchen? Put the pumpkin back. Put it back in the pot. Interact with that. Yes! I have a great view of what's happening here. Oh, wait. Okay, no. So it's this way. This is gonna go so badly. I can just feel it. Yes! I like how I added cheese and it's supposed to be vegan. Wait, where's the top? There's no way I'm cooking this without the top. Where is it? No! No, I'm not cooking it without the top. Where's the top? Fine. Oh, the top automatically appears. I think that's good. Only is a bowl on to serve that. Put that right there. Grab our little mixture. Interact. And we're gonna pour it. Okay, awesome. Let's pour more! Oh my god, I thought it all disappeared. Okay, cancel. No, cancel. We have made ourselves a mixture! Look at that. Did some of it just pour out? It's pouring out as we speak. Okay, this video probably hasn't turned out well. The lagging with all this chaos. I don't think this video is very good. But if you enjoyed this video, that's great. Good job. Good for you. I personally think it was very calm, cool, and collective. Oh, okay, fine, I wasn't. Stop! If you liked the video and you want more like it, subscribe. Oh, hold on. If you liked that video and you want more like it, please subscribe. That'd be really appreciated. And maybe even leave a like on this video. Perfect ending.